Here we are on a very wet November's day, and we've had to take refuge in our polytunnel here, where we're surrounded by lovely Mediterranean plants, while we talk about winter evergreens, in particular the heather arborea or Erica arborea. Now, I know we're all familiar with the more lower growing heathers, the Erica carneas, the spring flowering and the summer flowering, but some of you may be less familiar with the tree heaths, in particular this one here, the Erica arborea Albert's Gold. And you can understand by looking at it here with its bright, beautiful foliage why it has been named that. These grow to about 2 meters tall. They're perfectly hardy, and you can cut them right back if you wish, and they will re-sprout from the base, no problem at all. They do like acidic soil, like all other heaths. This one is actually a sport from another type of heather, Erica arborea var alpina, which grows in the mountains in Spain wildly, and it was introduced into the country in 1986. The Erica arborea Albert's Gold, this won a garden merit in 1962. So it's proven to be a good doer, and it is admired by many gardeners. Another type of tree heath which may be of interest to you, but it is a little bit more on the tender side. This one not from Europe but from South Africa. This is called Erica Canaliculata, and it's got much narrower, fine little leaves that are green on the top and paler underneath. And it's really fine, really elegant. And as you can see, it's got these white little pendular flowers on, and it has these, typically it produces these in January and flowers right through the spring. But here in Cornwall it has come out a little bit earlier, and we have had quite a mild November. So, as you would expect with a South African plant, this one is a little bit more tender. We're lucky enough to get away with growing it outside here in Cornwall, but in the cooler parts of the country you may struggle. But for a conservatory or a beautiful windowsill, it could be perfect. So there we are. There is Erica Canaliculata, the South African tree heath.